To support this channel, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment.
How to make St. John's wort oil from dried herb. St. John's wort oil is ideal for treating any type of ulcer or skin irritation. When making an infused oil, you must use a wilted dried St. John's wort plant. The active ingredients of this oil are hyperforin and hypericin, as well as various sesquiterpenes, rutin, kaempferol, and quercetin, which have antioxidant properties. It is recommended to use this oil in moderation as it is quite powerful and can cause unwanted side effects if used in excess. Of course, there is more, which we will see next. St. John's wort oil recipe. Ingredients: freshly wilted St. John's wort flowers, olive oil, almond oil, or soybean oil. Instructions: this is how you make St. John's wort oil. Pluck the St. John's wort flowers and let them wither for 48 hours. Place the dried petals in a clean jar. Close the jar tightly and place it on a windowsill where it will have enough sunlight. Open the container every 2 to 3 days and wipe off the condensate that has formed. The oil will gradually turn red. After 1 month, strain the flowers and store the oil in a cool, dry place. Protected from direct sunlight, and you're good to go. You have a quick solution for all skin diseases. St. John's wort oil benefits. Using St. John's wort oil has many benefits, including the following: treatment of psoriasis, alleviation of muscle pain, treatment of arthritis, treatment of depression, removing sunburn, strengthening immunity, treatment of stomach ulcers, wound treatment, treatment of burns, treatment of insect bites, reducing inflammation. Side effects of St. John's wort oil. Although this oil has countless benefits, there are some side effects, such as potential pregnancy complications and sun sensitivity. Pregnancy. There is limited research on the effects of this oil on pregnant and breastfeeding women, so it is generally advised not to use it. Phototoxicity. Studies have found that using this oil on the skin can cause damage or irritation to the skin when exposed to sunlight, so don't apply it directly before leaving the house.